bacteria, first discovered by Anton von Leeuwenhoek, and the term bacteria coined by Ehrenberg. The term bacterium coined by Ehrenberg. After the discovery of bacteria, no one touches these microbes up to 150 years. Later on, Louis Pasteur and the Robert Koch widely worked on this bacteria. Louis Pasteur regarded as father of bacteriology. Leeuwenhoek is the father of microbiology and Louis Pasteur is the father of bacteriology. Robert Koch, he observed the pathogenic nature of bacteria and proposed germ theory of diseases. Robert Koch observed the pathogenic nature of bacteria. That means bacteria, he observed the bacteria cause diseases in plants, animals and human beings. And he proposed that germ theory of diseases. So this theory that denotes or explains germs or the bacteria cause diseases in various organisms. Where these bacteria present? They present everywhere. So their occurrence is ubiquitous. That means cosmopolitan, present everywhere. They present inside the soil, on the soil, inside the water, on the water, on living organisms, inside living organisms, grow as saprophytes, present in cold areas, Arctic region also, present in high temperature regions, that means the sulfur springs, acidic nature, alkaline nature and high salt concentration area also. Based on where they grow, they are named as various types. If they grow in acidic regions, called acidophils. Alkaline regions, alkalophils. Snow, chrysophils. High temperature regions, thermophils. High salt concentration regions, high salt concentration regions, halophils. So they are present everywhere. Wherever moisture and nutrients available, in those regions they are present. So bacteria are present wherever moisture and nutrients is available. They grow as parasites, they grow as symbionts, and they grow also as parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic, parasitic.